When you come to a heat class, you are going to have the most fun you've ever had taking any kind of Group X class. The way that we design a heat class is we actually choreograph each song. And when people hear choreograph, they think, oh, dance. And that's not what I mean at all. What we do is we set different movements to the beat. So we'll do an 8 count of bicep curls right into maybe a 16 count of squats. To finish a heat class takes a tremendous amount of muscular endurance. They're getting that heart rate up. They're challenging those muscles to pick the weight up, but to continue to pick that weight up for as long as 3, 4, sometimes 5 minutes.
There's such a community behind heat. Everyone's there for each other. When you're dying during a song, your neighbor will look over at you, they'll say, you can do it, and you'll be like, we're both gonna do it together, and it's fantastic.
This class is perfect for beginners. You don't have to have any knowledge whatsoever of what a dumbbell is or how much weight to pick up. You don't need to know any of the vernacular or any of the moves. That's part of the design of the class, is to teach you how to lift weights properly and have a good time doing it.
Anyone can do it. Even my husband has tried it and said it's much harder than he ever thought it would be.
If you want to sign up for classes, go to heatwavefitness.com to learn more.